Alright, here we go. Let's see if this round actually climbs higher. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Hey guys, I recently came across a CS2SKINs platforms that looks really interesting. It has skins, cases, rewards, battles, and marketplaces features all in one place. So today I'm going to walk you through CS2SKIN, show you how it looks, what features it offers, and what you should know before trying it. But before we head into that, let me share a quick reminder. This is not a financial video and I am not a professional advisor. Please do your own research before making any decisions. And remember, this includes chance-based features, so nothing is guaranteed. Let's check it out. Now, once you enter the platform, the first thing you'll notice is the overall gaming style design. Everything is placed in a way that feels fast, colorful, and easy to explore. The platform is mainly built around CS2SKINs, but it doesn't stop there. You'll find multiple sections like cases, case battle, crash, roulette, rewards, marketplace, inventory system, user profile area, leaderboards, and promotions. So it feels more like an all-in-one CS2SKIN ecosystem rather than just a basic marketplace. One thing I noticed immediately is how animated and interactive everything feels. You'll see live activity updates, recent wins, rotating banners, and different game sections highlighted on the homepage. For people who enjoy gaming-style interfaces, this kind of layout definitely keeps things visually engaging. Navigation is actually pretty simple here. At the top, you'll usually find access to your profile wallet balance, rewards, and inventory. The categories are clearly separated, which makes it easier for new users to understand where everything is located. If you've used other CS2SKIN platforms before, the overall structure will probably feel familiar. You also have inventory management features where users can view acquired skins, check item values, withdraw items when available, and sell or exchange certain items depending on platform rules. Now, obviously, before using any third-party platform, it's always important to read their terms, understand platform policies, use account security features, and avoid rushing into anything, especially when the real money or digital items are involved. One of the biggest sections here is definitely the cases feature. This is where users can open different themed cases that contain possible CS2SKIN drops. You'll notice there are many categories with different price levels and visual themes. Some are budget-style cases, while others are premium-looking cases with higher value skins displayed in the preview. The opening animations are very flashy and designed to feel exciting. You'll see spinning item real similar to many skin opening experiences online. Now, this is the important part. These openings are chance-based. That means outcomes are random and there's no guarantee you'll receive a specific item or value. So if anyone decides to try this feature, it's important to treat it as entertainment rather than expecting consistent results. Personally, whenever I test platforms like this, I prefer starting small just to understand how the system works. Another major feature here is the case battle section. This is where multiple users can join the same battle and open cases against each other. The concept is pretty straightforward. Players enter a battle room, the selected cases get opened for everyone, and whoever ends up with the highest total item value wins that battle. From a visual standpoint, this section is probably one of the most entertaining parts of the platform. Everything moves quickly, there are live reactions, animated openings, and competitive elements that make it feel more interactive. You'll also notice different battle types depending on what's currently available. Some are smaller entry battles, while others may involve larger amounts of multiple cases. Again though, outcomes here depend heavily on random item results. So this isn't something users should approach expecting predictable outcomes. It's always smarter to set personal limits and stay responsible while using features like this. Next up is Crash. If you've never seen this kind of game before, the idea is simple. There's a multiplier that increases over time, and users decide when to exit before the round ends. If the round crashes before someone exits, the result is lost for that round. Visually, this section moves very fast. You'll usually see live multipliers, real-time player activity, round history, and current trends and statistics. Now, even though some users enjoy studying patterns or timing strategies, it's important to remember that chance still plays a major role. Nobody should assume guaranteed outcomes based on previous rounds and streaks. Always approach these types of features carefully and responsibly. Alright, here we go. Let's see if this round actually climbs higher. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, this is the intense part about Crush because you're basically deciding when to pull out before it drops. And that's what makes these kinds of games exciting to watch. Every second feels risky. Okay, it's still moving, not bad. You can see the multiplier increasing in real time and everyone's probably watching closely right now. Do we cash out early or hold a little bit longer? That's always a question. That's the thing about chance-based games. Sometimes you hit, sometimes you don't. So instead of staying on the same mode, let's try something different and check out another feature on the platform. Honestly, that's one thing I noticed here. There are multiple game modes, so you're not stuck doing just one. There it goes. We lost that one. Activity. Let's move over to another section and see how this one works. There's also a relay section available on the platform. This follows the familiar relay style format with different color or number outcomes. The interface here is very clean and easy to follow. You can quickly see current round status, previous results, timer countdowns, and active bets happening in real time. Like the other chance-based sections, results vary from round to round. So again, this should only be approached casually and responsibly. Another interesting part of the platform is the reward system. Depending on what's currently active, users may see things like daily rewards, bonus systems, loyalty features, event promotions, referral sections, and level progression systems. Platforms like this often rotate events and seasonal activities to keep users engaged. I'd still recommend reading conditions carefully whenever rewards or promotion offers are involved so you fully understand how they work. Now let's talk about the marketplace side. This section is more focused on browsing and interacting with CS2 skins directly. You can usually search skins, compare prices, view items visual, check rarity levels, and manage inventory-related actions. The marketplace design itself looks modern and organized. For people mainly interested in the skin ecosystem rather than the game modes, this area might actually be one of the most useful parts of the platform. Overall, CS2SKIN combines multiple gaming style features into one platform experience. You've got case openings, competitive battles, crash, relays, reward systems, and marketplace tools all wrapped inside a visually active CS2 themed interface. But as always, it's important to stay realistic. Features involving random outcomes can be unpredictable and experiences may differ from person to person. So if anyone decides to explore platforms like this, start small, learn how everything works first, set personal limits, and avoid spending more than you're comfortable with. That's honestly the safest approach. That's it for today's quick look at CS2SKIN. It brings CS2SKIN's cases, rewards, battles, and marketplace features into one platform. Some features are based on chance, so results can be different for everyone. From my side, I only tried it with a small amount to test the platform works. So don't go big at the beginning. Start small, understand the features first, and never spend more than you're comfortable with. You can find the link in the description and pinned comments. Thanks for watching Crypto Journal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.